2007 Toyota Forerunner. The lights on the display aren't coming on. The information comes on, but when at nighttime the lights aren't illuminating the display. So we're going to take care of that. Pretty simple fix. Go to your Toyota dealership, get that bulb and two of those bulbs. That's going to be just for the upper display, not for your fan, but that's a different set of bulbs to be changed out when they go out. So open up your compartment, 10mm screw, or you can use a Phillips head screwdriver. Get your screw out right here. Cool. Disconnect your electrical connector. I'm going to replace this one, and this one. Alright, so you can use a tiny flat tip or something. I'm going to use the end of my craft knife, because that comes in handy for these. So counterclockwise to turn them, just like that. Now you're going to take your module and you're just going to turn it up and over and let them fall out. Alright, so I got the old bulbs out. Just going to slip the new ones in. Get those set in the holes. I'm going to take my craft knife. Go ahead and get it locked in. It doesn't take much. You don't have to put a lot of force into it. You just turn them back clockwise and they'll snug up. Now we'll plug it back in and verify the repair. Alright, so I'm doing this in the broad daylight. So I grabbed a old parts box and just made me a peephole so that I could verify the repair on the display. So it's lit up, turning the dimmer all the way off and all the way on. Alright, both sides lighting up proper. Now we're going to reset the clock and put the screw back in and call it a day. Thank you.